The top celeb shop, and even if you're not a celeb but just want to look like one, here are the hottest rock star looks, guaranteed to swivel heads. Celebrities stroll over to Echo Chic Boutique for the latest fashions.
What celebrities like to shop here?
Well, we have Charlie Baltimore shops here, Jill Scott, Eve, Cameron Diaz, Bette Midler, Patti LaBelle was here. She was fabulous.
Owner Jennifer Ramsey has fabulous taste in clothes and men. She's married to 80s hip-hop pioneer Schoolie D, and she knows what the stars like. Singer and rapper Eve comes in to see what's new.
If she's looking for something to perform in, she wants something a little bit more flashy and sexy. If she's just kind of like looking for some extra clothes for her wardrobe, she likes buying jeans, like tight jeans, leather bomber, something, you know, simple like a t-shirt underneath.
It's all about being seen in eye-catching fabrics of the season.
Like very shiny, flashy jewel tones. We like to call it liquid leather, the shiny pants and like the shiny black.
And the shape of her favorite pieces are those that stand out architecturally. Look out for dresses that drape in unusual ways, like this asymmetrical drapey silk jersey gray and purple dress with a belted zipper accent. Sharp attention to details and mixture of textures are key. Jewel-toned tops shine when they're matched with skinny jeans and skyscraper heels, ready to stomp the clubs and red carpet. Anything super short is very hip, but if you're feeling sort of shy, then
anything short you could always wear over the liquid leggings that we sell. We're completely sold out right now, but we're getting more in. Or over like a skinny jean if you don't want to do the mini dress in the middle of winter.
But if you had the legs like Cameron Diaz, she definitely flaunts them in the style that is uniquely hers.
What did Cameron Diaz, what was she like? And what did
She
she like
was
to
fun.
look for?
She was she came in, she had like an entourage with her pretty much. I guess it was part of like the film crew when she was filming a movie. And she was coming in out of the dressing room doing like karate kicks. It was like, she really is like that.